Two tablespoons clarified butter. 2 cups wheat flour. Roast on low flame until fragrant 4 to 5 minutes. Set aside. 1 tablespoon clarified butter. 1/2 cup semolina. Roast on low flame until fragrant 4 to 5 minutes. Add in the same bowl roast on low flame for 1 minute. Add in the same bowl 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon roasted poppy seeds, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons raisins, 2 tablespoons finely chopped almonds. Mix well. Water as per required. Knead in a hard dough. Rest for 30 minutes. Knead again. If the dough is very hard, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Almond, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, melon seeds. Cook on low flame for 30 to 35 minutes. Change the side. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes.